My name's Barry, I'm from Maastricht, I'm 18 and I think that's it.
Okay.
What'd you say?
If it was your experience of school?
Rubbish.
Rubbish.
And boring.
Boring.
Why?
Why?
Because I don't like teachers. I always got into fights, I always got chucked out of class, and I don't like maths and English.
Oh, the other stuff with the macular. Okay, good.
Right, my name's Barry, I'm on the actual car in first gear. It's going to be about family cars, little bubble cars, like your little Corsas and that. Classic cars, it's going to tell you your brake horsepower, acceleration, top speed, how cheap they are to run, insurance groups, just pretty much it. My name's Barry Skinner. I'm doing a show called Speedy's Chop Shop. It's for age 17 to 70. It tells you like how to save money, save time, keep your car going out of the garage, and it also educates you, or well, you the viewer, how to service your car. And welcome to Speedy Motors. Today we'll be speaking to Adele about how to look after and service her car. And well, speaking about it, here comes Adele now. This your dipstick here, as you can see there, well, that's your bubble, next to that's your minimum mark, and then up here is your maximum mark.
And where should it be?
It should be sitting up here at the maximum mark, which it is just now.
Okay. And where do I put my oil in?
You put your oil into there. This is the brake fluid, that's also your clutch fluid.
What does that actually do?
It works. Well, your brake fluid and your clutch fluid, it just works your clutch and your brake. It works off the same fluid. And then this one down here is your power steering fluid. That's just for like your power steering pump. That one's your coolant. That cools down, well, it runs through the radiator. The radiator's here, it runs through there, and then you have the engine to keep it cool. And then that one's your washers for your window washers. And top up one, I'll use that.
Thanks, Barry, that's brilliant.
No problem at all.
Yeah.
Job done.